Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 3, that is reproduction in animals, and in this lesson we have discussed some of the contents like animals reproduce in two ways. Animals reproduce in two ways, that are some of the animals are there which reproduce by laying eggs. By laying eggs they can reproduce a new species, and some of the animals are there which give birth to the young ones directly. Those are called as mammals, and we discussed some of the features of mammals that I told you. Those are the mammals are the warm-blooded animals. Those are the warm-blooded animals, and some of the features are there. And some of the animals I told you that they lay eggs. They can reproduce a new species by laying eggs. For example, insects, reptiles are there, birds are there, fishes are there. So all those animals lay eggs to reproduce a new species. And birds lay eggs. Where the birds lay eggs, they lay eggs in their nest which are built by the birds on the trees. Next, fishes. What fishes lay eggs in the water, because as you know that fish lives in the water, so they lay eggs in the water, but they do not care about their eggs at all, because after some time they just left out their eggs in the water. That's because some of the eggs of the fishes are eaten by other animals, by other big animals. And next, reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles like snakes, lizards. Okay, so these animals lay eggs on the ground only. And after that we discussed about amphibians, insects, and life cycle of insects. I told you that there are 3 stages in every insect. 3 or maximum 4 stages are there. So in butterfly I told you there are 4 stages. First one, butterfly will lay egg. Next, that egg will hatch out, and what will come out? That larva, we call that larva, and that larva looks like caterpillar. It almost looks like caterpillar, and that larva will grow and convert into pupa, and that pupa covers with the leaves of the plants to protect itself by the danger or by the other animals. Next, pupa will come out to become an adult butterfly. So that was the life cycle of butterfly. So today we are going to discuss some of the questions of this lesson that is present in the page number 127. So open the page number 127 and see there. First one, 4 pictures they have given. See, you can see, and circle. What you have to do is circle the animals that give birth to the young ones directly. It means indirectly mammals. You should circle the mammal in the sense the animals which can give birth to the young ones directly, not laying eggs. Okay, so you can see first picture. What is that? That is the cockroach. So what it does, cockroach lay eggs, so it is not a mammal, don't circle it. See the second picture, that is a lady, that is a human being. Yes, human being give birth to the young ones directly, so you can circle it, just circle it. And the third one, frogs. Frogs are called as amphibians animals, and they lay eggs in the water as well as on the land also, but they do not give birth to the young ones directly, they just lay eggs. Okay, so do not circle it. And the fourth picture, that is a ox or cow, you can say it is an animal. Yes, ox, it is cow actually, so you can circle it because that give birth to the young ones directly. And after this, some of the true or false are there. State whether the following statements are true or false. So if the given statement is true, then you can write true. If the given statement is false, write false. So see the first question. What is that? All birds lay eggs. Is it all birds lay eggs? Yes, it is true. It is true. You can write there true. All the birds. Okay, not some of the birds, but except including ostrich. As you can see that ostrich is such a big bird, but that also lay eggs. So all the birds lay eggs to reproduce a new species. Okay, so that is true. Next, second one is the eggs of a fish are called spawn. Is it? No, it's false. It is false. And the third one is reptiles like snakes, lizards and turtles lay their egg in water? No, it is false. Then where do they lay eggs? Reptiles like snakes, lizards and turtles lay their eggs on the land, on the ground, not in the water. Okay, so this one is false. And the fourth one is the process by which insects shed their skin is called as molting. Yes, it is true. That is a process. Okay. What is that process? Just shedding their skin. Shedding their skin for several times to become an adult. To become an adult. That process we called as molting. It is true. And the last question is the white part of an egg is called as yolk. No, it is false. It is false. Then what we call that white part of an egg? It is albumen. Okay. And what is yolk then? That is the yellowish part. There is a yellowish part which is present inside of the egg, which we call also embryo, which helps a bird to become a bird. Okay. So that is the false. So in this lesson we discussed some of the contents like reproduction. What is the definition of reproduction? It is the process. It is the process to produce young ones of their own kind. Of their own kind is called as reproduction. Next, what is embryo? Embryo is nothing but it is a baby. Okay, it is a baby of something. Okay, so that's called as embryo. Next one is, what is the nymph? Nymph is nothing but it is the baby. Okay, it is the baby of insect. Next, what is the molting? Shedding their skin. Shedding the skin of the animals for several times to become an adult is called as molting. So after this, some of the questions are there like multiple choice questions, true or false, give one word answers are there. So all these things, do one thing in your home, try to answer these questions by yourself because these are the very easiest questions. So after that also, if you will not get the answer, we will discuss in the next class. Multiple choice questions are there like eggs of frogs hatch into what? Eggs of frogs hatch. I told you the baby frog. What we call the baby frog? The baby frog we call as tadpole. Okay, see for example, if you see a baby of cat, okay, what do you call a baby cat? We called it kitten. And what you call the baby dog, we called it puppy. Like that also the baby frog is there and a particular name is there for that. What is the baby frog we called? Tadpole. It is tadpole. Okay, so write yourself by these answers by yourself. If you will not get the answer, we will discuss in the next class. So I will continue in the next class.